Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I did my eyebrows. Yes, eyebrows. So if you'd like to see this video, just keep watching. Okay guys, welcome to the wonderful world of eyebrows. So yes, we are going to be working on eyebrows. I believe that eyebrows really need to go with the shape of your face, your forehead, and like the overall shape of your face. Sorry. A lot of people do eyebrow shapes that do not go with this. I'll leave a link in the description box that will give you the eyebrow shape for your face. Anyway, so what I was doing just a minute ago was just plucking some hairs that I felt like they were just in the way and things of that nature. So you always want to make sure that you have an eyebrow shape that you can work with. Then I just brushed up all the hairs using the spoolie end of my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. And then now I'm just light stroking the, I was applying light strokes of the Brow Wiz to my brow. And of course, because it's sped up, it does look like I'm doing it rather harshly, but I'm actually going really slow and then just filling in the shape that I created. Now I do like this arched shape as opposed to like circles and halos and all those other interesting brow shapes that I see people with. My thing is, I think, like I said, I keep on saying brows should match your face. Now I tend to overdraw so that way when I'm applying the concealer, in case it'll lessen the amount of mistakes. After I fill it in, I do take a small angle brush and go ahead and go through the color just so that it's not that harsh. So the color that I filled in, I just take that and just go through. All right. So now you want to take your favorite thick concealer with a flat, what's this brush called? Flat angle brush? No, it's not angle, flat something brush. I'll leave it down below. Any brush. I mean, I use the flat brushes and just kind of draw lines on top and on the bottom, and then you just work your way and conceal downwards and across, and just until you get the shape that you're going for. Like I just keep cutting the color off with the concealer until I get the desired thickness of the brow. I like to make my eyebrows go higher, so I do like a surprise eye look in order to get my eyebrows to move higher, so that way there's more space for me to work with and I don't, that minimizes mistakes. So you do that at the top, the bottom, right and left eyebrow until, like I said, you get it to exactly how thick you want it. And that's exactly why, like I said, I overdraw just because I want to minimize mistakes. Let's see. And then on the top one, you're wanting to go downward a lot because, that'll just make it so that it just looks better. All right. So I am now taking a Sigma. It's one of the precision brushes just to clean up and get rid of a lot of that concealer. Being careful around as I get closer to the eyebrow, and then I'm just taking some of that concealer and just putting on my eyelids just because I don't try not to waste it. Then you're gonna see me take my finger. First I'm taking a makeup brush that I used for my foundation and just kind of trying to get rid of that color. But as you can see, I kind of take away some of the brow on my right side. So I should fix it up again. But I'm just kind of showing you that it's even. Yeah, see, I took some of that away. So I was like, okay, let me fix it. Then I thought that one needed a little bit more because since this is a tutorial, I want to be able to show you good, decent eyebrows. So yes, and Just trying to think. Yeah, here's me just
All right,
cleaning up
guys, so
because
shout
I
out to
put a
you.
little
You
bit
made it
too
to
much
the
down,
end. So
so now
thank
it
you
was
so
no
much for
longer
watching.
even
I hope
and
you
straight.
enjoyed
But
this
yeah, those are the
tutorial. I hope
eyebrows.
it helped you out and it gave you some insight on eyebrows. So until my next video, shout out to my babies, Mary, Martha, Charlotte, my little prince. I love you guys and I love you all. Thank you again for watching, and until my next video. Bye, guys.